Good morning, folks. How are you all? It's bright. That's better. Yeah, on the painting again. I've got the first couple of coats of black on. I've got some different blacks, so we're going gloss on all of these front panel parts and then satin on these ones. Just trying to do this again with the old glue stick. Didn't really work very well last night, but I've sanded the dent a bit now, so it should stick better, hopefully. Just keep trying. I've tried putting something in and poking it, but it's a bit of a dodgy angle. We've got company today.
What are you doing?
So yeah, the chickens just sort of wander around now. Still no eggs. Bit annoying, but they were very young when we got them, which was kind of stupid. But you know, we didn't have much choice. But yeah, they get on well with the dogs now. So, well, the dogs just ignore them, so that's good. No dead chickens. So what I'm doing here, these are the pods from yesterday. Now bear in mind I brush painted these. And the finish is actually pretty damn good. I'm just going over it with some 2000 grit sandpaper that I've soaked in water. And that's just taking off the bits, because I'm stupid and I painted it outside. I'll have to do the same with all of this stuff. But, you know, like I said before, small price to pay in time as opposed to paying for a professional spray job. But, so you sand that down, now that's silky smooth, so I now give that a second coat. Can you see it's just sort of scuffed it ever so slightly? I mean, you can't even feel it. But how that is there, I could actually polish that and get that shiny, but I'm going to give it another coat because, you know, it's a bit crap, so didn't get full coverage, which is fine. But when you use the really fine sandpapers, you can then go over it again with a proper polishing stuff and bring it up. And I'll tell you what, you will be surprised how good this paint job turns out. I did see a comment about roller painting the tank, how it's a bad idea and it'll look crap. Not at all. As long as you take your time with it. Whoever said about my van looking crap, that's because it's massive and I couldn't be bothered. But this is, you know, I'm only brush painting 3 parts, so I can take my time with it and make it look a lot better. Right folks, a little update for you, because I've been motoring ahead with this today. I hate painting, so I've just been powering it. But the whole front end is currently in paint mode. So we've got the wheel, that's just had its first coat. The forks are painted. Then all these bits on here. Clocks look very nice with the black. Still can't get this bloody dent out of the tank. I've been trying all sorts today. I've had glue on it, I've had things poking it from the inside. I just can't seem to shift it, and that's obviously stalling me from painting the tank. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I don't really want to just leave it. It's going to ruin it, isn't it? Like the thing with the bike, the focal point of the whole bike is the tank. That's the bit that needs to be perfect. So I can't really be messing around with that. I might end up filling it if I can't get it out. So I don't want to go too mad at it and end up busting it and making it even worse than it already is. It's only shallow, it's about 4 mil deep, if that, maybe 3 mil. So I may end up just running a bit of filler over there, doing it that way. But yeah, it's coming along good. I reckon I'll have this back together today. I think we all just need to take a moment to appreciate how much better this bloody wheel looks. So that's the old one. And that's the new one. Oh, mega. That is today's efforts right there, back together. And I think you'll agree, it definitely looks better with the black wheels. Starting to see the vision a bit more now. I think I'm probably going to do the calipers black as well, but I couldn't be bothered to do that today, so left them silver for now. I can do them while it's in situ anyway. I just needed to pull it all apart for the forks and that. But yeah, there we go. Mega. Sorry this video got cut a little bit short. I hope you joined in for the live stream golf session. That was probably the most random and hilarious thing I've ever done. Never thought I'd be doing that when I started this YouTube channel. It was a good laugh. Thanks to everyone that joined in. Calling it a day there, we've just been sat outside, chilling. Don't know if I said it earlier, so I'll say it again. I've decided to sack the green off and do the whole thing black. Gonna do the tank and the pods satin black. I think it's, I mean, I knew that'd look good anyway. That was always my backup plan, but I wanted to try the green, and I've gone off it, so just gonna go straight for the black. I know for a fact that's gonna look good, so yeah, look forward to that. Right, I'll see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.